8ArmsPrints. All right, Andrews, Texas. Cool logo. Kind of tough to read from a distance. Background, not sure what it is yet. I might become clear. It seems like a bowl making thing. Good shop dynamics, all this stuff. What are these things? Oh, bath molds. Oh, underpriced. I would say underpriced. These should be like not. Well, this one. Okay, hold on. You're charging for shipping on this, aren't you? Yep. Charging for shipping moves a listing down in rankings. So if there's other people doing bath bomb molds, they're going to rank higher than you because they have free shipping. So it is generally better to have a higher price, like $9.99, and then have shipping free inside of there. You would also be able to charge a little bit more for this. This item, as a bath bomb mold, this is a great idea. This thing you should charge more for this. This is like a $10 raw cost. You could probably sell this for almost $25. So it's pretty far underpriced, I would say. And now here's the thing: you're selling a mess of these, so absolutely. But I think you would probably not hurt your sales numbers, your sales volume much, but would be able to increase your revenue. Now, I don't know what the top sales are here. These are the featured items, which generally means they're the more popular. These multicolored prints are great. Oh, that's cool. Oh, this is great. This is great. This is a cool item just for me as a dude or whatever it was. Licensing model. Wait a second. Candy Rainbow? What is this? This looks like the place where you purchased it from, the licensing location. You can source files from places like Patreon and a number of other designers who will be able to share these files with you. But, this multicolor. Oh, these are cool. The fidget toys. Yeah, I would say a lot of these are underpriced. These things should all be $9.99. And then, you can run a sale to get a notification through to people. But, $9.99. These types of items, though, which I'm assuming are fairly popular, this is something that you could put into our Etsy plugin. And then you don't have to worry about printing and shipping it. You just have a baseline fee. When an order comes through from your Etsy store, it's sent to our print farm. We print and ship it to your customer. And then you have a set fee on it, and then you can price around it, and you can focus on designing more of these bath bombs. Turn them into stars, turn them into hearts, create variations that you can upsell people on. That'd be the good stuff to do. And then when you create those other listings, you can put links to those listings in the description. Oh, here you go. Okay, yeah, you got a customization link right here. Ooh, good description. Really, really good description. But I would say offer free shipping, increase the price of this thing. The reviews are great. Ooh, look at that. That's a fantastic review. Oh, wow. That's great. That's something. Well, that looks like a chocolate chip cookie. A fat chocolate chip cookie. Oh, good job. This is a really nifty store. Good work, Amanda. This good work. But yes, I would say I think you can increase the price of your items quite a bit. See, it's all on sale. Good. You're getting a notification out there. Excellent. Breast cancer awareness, all of those. But more shapes of the bath bombs, and you'd be able to sell so many more. I'm pretty darn sure. Let's see here. Let me check your reviews to see what your popular items are. Oh, Yetis, fidget. Oh, it's not the bath bombs. Wait a second. Let me go back to bath bombs. I don't see it. Oh, there we are. Donut bath bomb. That's cool. That's the thing to do. Oh, you're selling a decent number of these. You're doing all right. Cool. Most recent. Yes. And they haven't moved recently. So there's a seasonality to these, apparently. Interesting. This one is priced closer to what I would say is good pricing. Interesting. I don't know the dynamics of the bath bomb thing. I am guessing here, but I think that you can certainly charge $9.99 for these. Could charge up to $19.99. Pretty darn certain. And I don't think it would hurt your sales volume. But give free shipping. Give free shipping and your sales will increase even more. The conversion rate will go up.